What is hibachi? It's not exactly what you think.
Hello everyone. How you doing? Alright, good to see you here tonight. I'm here from the Ichiban. My name is Lazy Boy. I'm taking care of the food tonight, okay?
You said lazy boy?
My name is Lazy Boy. Somebody is not here tonight. Once they don't show up, I'm not here tonight. I do something wrong, don't get my vote. If I do something wrong, don't get my vote.
Oh, no.
If you tell my vote, please go back to one hour. I will speak up.
Hibachi is a traditional fire bowl or porcelain cooking device from Japan. Hibachi style, meaning steak, seafood, and rice cooking, is a misnomer. Think Japan's post-1945 North American marketing lost in translation. It's a show. It's a circus. It's flat iron grilling. But it's not authentic Japanese cuisine.
Here or American? Here or North Korean? North Korean no good. They want to attack American. Yeah, you want watch out. I have big muscle. North Korea not easy for play with American. North Korea not easy to play with American.
This, I'm afraid, is a Western-style creation named teppanyaki. Enjoyable, entertaining, even delicious. Call it what you will, only it's not hibachi.